couple canoes that our neighbors up here let us borrow.
See, coming over. Hey, oh, in now. Oh, okay.
So we're gonna see how we do here. Apparently we didn't have permission to use these boats, so we're now trying to pick the locks.
We had permission.
Tammy and her ingenuity try to scheme out the combination of this lock.
We had permission.
You don't have to do that, Tammy.
She just thinks we did. We never did have permission. We did have permission. They said we could write.
No, we didn't. Those people live just up there. So if they catch us, then we're in big poo for trying.
Not really.
We figured they're older people, so we could probably outrun them.
Yeah. They probably.
Here's the master lock picker that figured it out. Hey, y'all need to keep those chains quiet, or the people that own these will hear us.
You're not gonna sneak off with them, are you?
They let us use this anytime we want. Why are you saying that, Dad? Because we can use these anytime they want. They said we could.
Oh, we gotta chain them back so that they don't know.
Which one you want to do?
Okay.
They know about this.
I want to be in this one.
I'm in this one too.
Everybody's going to ride.
Yeah.
We're not going to ride all at the same time because we can't get everybody in there. How many do you think you want in there? It could hold, the little ones.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you better put two.
Okay.
2 paddles in this. Give me one of those.
Here we go. This be like the Blair Witch Project. This be videos that they'll find one day. What would happen to us?
What now? What now? Wasn't there 2 people?
Who's next?
I don't know.
You can sit down beside me, okay?
Cody, why don't you get in there with Colton, Cody, and let one of the girls get on the front.
There you go. There you go.
Can I tighten this for me?
Sit there. Always got to sit there. You got to sit back there.
Can someone tighten this for me? I'm not gonna tighten. Yeah, it will. Can you tighten this?
In a minute, babe.
Sit down on the floor there. All the way down now.
Stay very still.
Hey, you should not go from side to side.
Yeah, you gotta sit in the middle, okay?
I'm being late. Need help shoving them in?
Red eye. Just gotta sit in the middle.
We're about to smuggle 2 illegal children over the river. They sit them hide in the middle so the immigration can't see them.
Okay. Oops, I'm sorry.
We're going backward.
Okay. You guys going with me then?
Yeah, I guess so.
Jack, did you want to do this?
It doesn't matter.
Y'all both. You?
I'm getting footage of them right now.
Huh?
There they go.
Get out, get out. Oh, Tiff.
We need some deliverance music. Down, 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 down. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna help.
I hope we
I
don't
need to teach you or what? I can teach you anything. I'll do
Mama
that.
and Daddy, remember, y'all gotta sit very still. Okay? Because if you don't, the boat will topple. You won't believe it. It never happened to us.
Alright.
Quit shaking your butt.
No problem.
Okay.
It made me nervous.
Tammy? Okay, you row on one side close to the boat. Jack, you row on the other. If you want to turn around, Jack, you got the propeller.
Oh, they're both meant for this,
Are you taking pictures?
I'm taking pictures of this.
Be still.
I'm telling you, be still.
Tiffany, to be still is going to be something else. Well, Tammy's a good swimmer and Jack's a good swimmer. The girls have got life jackets on, so.
I don't know whether I'd pull out a 250 whale.
Oh, that's funny as heck.
That's neat.
Isn't that funny?
It is. Oh,
Jack's paddling with one hand.
he's holding on with the other. I don't think that canoe will float if it turns over now.
Yeah, I know it. They've really fixed it up nice. Did you see that swing they put up? That.
Oh, down here?
Yeah. Oh, they're doing good now.
As soon as y'all get enough. Mike, teach your daddy how to paddle.
That's not going to be that. This canoeing bit's not going to be active enough for the girls, I'm afraid. I don't either. This is fun. They need to do that.
Everybody's fun. The little kids probably like it.
Yeah, they all like it.
We want to switch.
Y'all doing okay?
Yeah, we're gonna switch, I think.
Yeah, because
This was a
they
lot
got
more
bigger.
stable, apparently.
Yeah,
Don't
we
switch.
just got little ones. They got big ones and small ones. We're switching.
Yeah, they're a little overweighted, I think.
Fast,
Oops,
fast, fast.
wrong way.
I am not. I think it's cars shutting the top.
Jack's whittling the canoe. They're going, this is not even funny.
We got some weight issues.
God, they're gonna ram you,
It
Steve.
should be in a little boat. Big kids need to be in a bigger boat.
Leave the,
Both of y'all ain't gonna be in there. One's gonna be in each.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll stay in this one right here. Okay. Let's get a smaller person.
Maybe Allie should ride it.
Hang on there.
Hey Tiff.
Charlie laughed.
what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing?
Oh man.
Oh man, was that fun?
We'll go after y'all get. Let's get it out here.
You're getting in that.
Well, I'm going in.
Cody at first wasn't going to ride, but now he's decided it's pretty cool.
Either place. You're fine. All right, guys. Hey, Tenny.
Get in.
Is that better, Dave?
I got it.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Okay.
Oh, sun's coming out.
No, wait
doing all right out there?
Way more on this side.
All right.
Those lights off. Yeah.
Paddling on?
Put it in.
What side are you paddling on, Steve?
You just paddle.
He's not paddling like Jack. One hand on the boat and one hand on the...
I'll have to watch that on video.
Oh, God. I ain't laughed so much in a long time.
I quit laughing. I'm jiggling the recorder.
Stevie needs suntan all on.
I tell you, I probably will.
Oh, they're doing good now. Excuse me, I'm recording here.
I know you are.
You're laughing.
And
I'm
I love
recording
you.
you laughing. You're jiggling the camera.
I bet they'll figure that's going over a fall.
Yeah.
Wow.
What did, oops.
Why that thing? We're holding this.
Sage.
We'll do 4 o'clock, come back and eat, and then go.
Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on down there. There'll be some booths the kids can look at. I think there's a bunch of stuff, so that'll be fun.
How much does it cost to get in there?
I don't think it cost anything.
Oh,
They're on the,
okay. Lewis, whatever it is, park.
mhm.
I think old Neil's down there playing tennis.
Probably. Uh-oh, we're headed for a major collision, looks like.
That tree's not in there too good. It will come down.
Yeah.
That wind's moving this thing.
Listen, listen to him yell.
Put you out. Holy mackerel, we'll never get off that thing.
Stand by, Charlie.
I know it.
Y'all ready back there? We're gone.
We're gonna play war, y'all.
Look out, Daddy.
We're not playing more.
I tell you, it does take some practice.
It's wobble. I was giggling. It was wiggling. I was like,
make it look easy. It's like anything else. They do it, make it look easy. And it's
well,
not.
you know, if the other person wanted to make you fall in, they could.
Yeah. Yeah, there is. That bigger one, I don't know about the little one. The bigger one's real stable.
The little one, I'll tell
Yeah.
you, all of us in it,
It's no
it
problem.
was something else.
Chief engines, we're going upstream.
Charlie, I tell you, he's a mess.
Jack. I'll follow you, but don't get us lost again.
What think about Charlie? He's got enough gas power.
Yeah, really. I've been here before. Yeah. What, 5 times?
He's splash tip.
Off they go.
There's Daddy involved.
Allie, wave!
Allie!
Wave!
Allie! Wave!
Just going, don't, the boat's shaking. That's fun.
We have an Indian signal for you.
Yeah, I have that on videotape too.
I tell you what a... Oh. I tell you. That's a crew.
Bees.
If we start getting any closer, they're going to get really mad.
I stepped on it.